Hey, today is September 8th, and I just realized that my potatoes burned down and I have not harvested them. Check that out. See the blue container? You remember that? I didn't harvest them. So I'm going to see if I can do it today. I'm not sure if I can because, I'll tell you what happened. They said we have rain coming in tonight, this evening, and then tonight, and tomorrow morning, Thursday morning. So this needs to be harvested. Check this out, okay? This guy needs to be harvested. So let me see what I can do. To get to that, I need to get these things out of the way. Look at this pepper tree. Beautiful, isn't it? Look at that. But it's hanging down. So I need to tie it up before. See the wind? Check that out. That's why I had to put this hat on my head and put the chin strap on. Because if not, that wind will blow me away. Blow everything away. So I need to tie this. But I didn't bring a string with me. Ha ha ha. Yeah, real smart, right? So, man, I'm smelling this pepper. This thing smells spicy. I hope this is not a hot pepper. I hope this is not a hot pepper. Weed. Small ones. This is a new container, so I'm gonna transfer the soil into it. Get the spikes out. Let me see what else is in here that I need to take out. Excuse me, God bless me. Pepper behind me. The pepper I was messing with, it's a hot pepper. And yeah, even when I walk by, I said, man, I can smell it. That's a hot pepper. It sure is. Okay, so let me transfer this soil. We have rain coming, so I can't mess around. It's gonna take me a little while. I wanna make sure I don't playing overhead. This is gonna take me a little while. I wanna make sure I don't transfer any potatoes over here. This is a deep barrel. The one I'm transferring the soil to, this guy right here. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna plant carrots in it or garlic for this season. Like I said before in my other one, the garlic, I didn't dig up my garlic from the other container. So I'm gonna see what happens next year. Ooh, oops. See, I don't want to put any tiny potatoes over here because it's gonna try to grow next year. And I don't want it to interfere with what I'm gonna plant in it. So, oh. I was hoping to get a lot of potatoes in here. The only thing is I was hoping that I'd catch them before they start to grow. And I did catch them because so far I don't see anything growing. Ooh, that pepper is kicking my butt. Ooh. 1 second. That's hot pepper. What am I gonna do with that? Yep. It's hot pepper. See, I don't want tater tots going over there and then try to grow next year. Let me do it this way. Faster this way. None but tater tots. I think they're rot. I think that's potato peas. That might have been from the mother potato. Ah, now we're getting somewhere. Show you in a minute. out. There's some things in there I have to take out because they're blocking the flow of the soil. For a minute there, I was thinking it's another bust season, but no, it's not. I just hope my camera lasts because the low power mode is on. And I'm only halfway through the soil. Just a little tot. Take some of these things out because it's starting to interfere with the soil going down. That will do for now. I can't waste the batteries on the phone. Oh, this one started growing. So at least I caught it before. Okay. Thank you. Can't play with the camera right now because the battery's almost done. I have a lot of rot in here. I hope it's from the mother potatoes. Trying to get this done real quick before the camera runs out on me. More. They were starting to grow. I'm glad I caught it. They were starting to grow. Well, here's what I discovered. Water at the bottom of the container. Now I got the potatoes out. Well, I think I have, but might be some more there. But check this out. I know they were wet because just had a lot of rain before, but I had some rot. This one rotted, and look here. This one too, and this is, check that out. So they were rotting. See? So it's a good thing I dug them up today, because by the weekend, because it's going to rain tonight, tomorrow, and then by the weekend, who knows? I might have had more that rotted. Another thing also in here is that I remember now I wasn't supposed to plant any root crop in this container because you see the holes? Here are my drainage holes. And it goes all around, see? So I have this much water stays in there. And I remember now thinking about the video when I made this, I said, wow, I think I made a mistake with the container. And I did. Another thing I found that at the bottom of this, I have mulch down here. All this is mulch that I had in the container, and then I put soil on top of it. So it broke down, but not fully. But by next year, make sure I get some out. Yep, look at. But by next year, everything will be broken down, and there's no potato at the bottom. I just discovered that. So the only spot I didn't look is this corner right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish clearing these out, clearing this side out, and this is the only corner left to look for potatoes. And I'm gonna go ahead and leave the rest of this soil. Oops, sorry, little wormy. Hey, wormy. Sorry. Yeah, let me help you out. Go over there. Oh, okay, potato. I'm throwing potato away. So I have one more. So let me keep going. Get this done. I have one more. Oh, this is from the roof. I should have teared my fingers up. I have one more container. No, actually I have more than one container, but I don't think I'm going to get to them today. Okay, I'm at the mulch at the bottom, so I can stop there. See all the eggshells down there? Not, see that? Okay. So, whoops. Potato, I got this little area right here left. So let me go here. And I will put the link to this video of the video when I planted these. I'll put that link also below when I post this video. So you can see, and I think you'll see, I know in there, ooh, man, sometimes these guys, I know what they are, but sometimes they're like, ooh, wake me out a little bit. So I'm just going to put you over there, dude. Sorry. I need to dig in this little spot right here, and then you can have the old container back to yourself and the rest of your family. So here we go. Last one right here. That's it. No more potatoes. And if I miss anything, I'll find out about it next year. This is the last one I found. I put on this side here. So hopefully I didn't miss anything. Now, since I have this going, here this is the potatoes I harvested. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse them off so you can see them better, and some little babies too. And then I'm gonna grab another container, the one that I had skin in. So I guess this is gonna be a potato video. So there's another one I planted with just skins, and I'm gonna see if I can find the video, because I'm not sure if I did it by itself or with a combination of another video. So I'm gonna see. Okay, this guy right here is not gonna do anything for the season, so I'm gonna get this area to start cleaning up and prepping stuff. So let me put, this is the water. Who needs water? Right here. This guy over here needs some water. Even though it's gonna rain, he's under the ledge, so they won't get a lot of water. Get this guy out my way for now. So I can get this. Oops, hope I'm not doing this too fast. So I need this area for my water. And this is where my excess water will go in. There they are. Look at that. Yeah, you can tell this one's starting to rot also. You see that? So, and these were growing. Wow, I'm not sure. It's just like it was growing completely. Look at that. So, I'm going to pour this out. Oops. Hate to get my hands dirty, but lost my finger. No pun intended. Anyway, I got to change my glove and get another glove. I should have bought better gloves than these, but I wasn't thinking about it. Because when I came out today, I was just trying to clean up, cut down. Oops. I came out today to cut down, some of the old tomato plants, clean some stuff up. And then I saw the potatoes. I'm like, holy crud, I forgot about the potatoes. So, think that look good. Come here, baby. You're not gonna work for me that easy. I work for you. So I need somewhere to put them just for now. That's a snowblower right there. So get that out of the way. So let me put these here for now. Don't go anywhere. Thank you. Leave them there for now. They can drain. And the water, find the containers underneath the ledges that needs water. There you go. Under this guy. Yep. Potato to potato. I hope I did not move too fast. I'm sorry, but I'm working on that. Now here's my next thing. Let's go over here. See this right here? This was skins I planted. I'm not sure if I can do this by one hand, but I'm going to try. And if I can get this untangled. And if I can't, I will put this down and come back. So put you here, put these guys. I'm trying to have an organized system back here, somewhere to put all my stakes. There's a hole in the bottom, so no water will accumulate. Trying to get organized a little bit. Okay, so that takes care of that. And of course this is the, and it needs water, but it's gonna rain. Miramar. There you go. You pronounce that bad boy. Anyway, that's a purple potato. And right now they're just running wild. And it's at the end of the season, so I'm not stopping them. Let them knock themselves out. This one is all tangled up in the net. So I'm just gonna give him the whole net for now. There you go. Gonna have the whole net in. But then when I take it off, it's coming off. Okay, so let's put you up here for now and let him run, and I'll deal with that later. Of course, I got the cord tangled up. Yeah, that's can hang right there. Where's the top? Yep, here we go. Put you back up here, okay, so you can run up here. Oh, the beams, it's tangled with the beams. There you go. This is not a potato video, okay? Put that over there and leave that. Okay, here we go. Yeah, this is a potato video. This is just not a sweet potato video. This is a Irish potato video. So, let me turn you off for a minute, move this, and I'll be right back.